In this video, we will see graphical representation of sinusoids. So first of all, let's draw sinusoids. Let's assume this is V of t and this is omega t. Now let's draw first of all sine function. So it will be something like this. This is just for a reference. So it will be something like this. And let's say it have a function of Vm sine omega t. This is sine function because it is starting from this 0 point. Now let's draw a cosine function. So the cosine function will start from here. So it will look something like this. So this is Vm cos omega t. This is cosine function and this is sine function. And this will be Vm, that is maximum voltage, and this is minus Vm, that is minus Vm maximum voltage in the negative direction. So these are the two sinusoidal voltages. Now we want to see graphical representation of sinusoids. So from these two functions, we can see the relationship between sine and cosine. So if this is plus cos omega t, from here we can see when this v of t is 0, that time this cosine function is maximum. And here the difference between these two sine and cosine is, this will be 90 degree. So it will be in this direction. So this is plus sine omega t. So this will be minus sine omega t and this will be minus cos omega t. This is minus sine omega t. Now let's understand this by an example. So let's take example. If we want to add, suppose 3 cos omega t minus 4 sine omega t. We want to find this by using this graphical representation of sinusoids. So first of all, solution. It will be something like this. This is plus cos omega t and this is plus sine omega t. Now this will be minus sine omega t and this will be minus cos omega t. And here this is 0. So first we want to draw 3 cos omega t. So it is positive. So let's say this is 1, 2 and this is 3. 1, 2 and 3. So this is 3. Here we can write this is 3 cos omega t, then minus 4 sin omega t. So in this direction it is positive 1, 2 and 3. So 1, 2 and 3. This is in positive direction, and in negative direction it will be minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. So minus 1, minus 2 and this is minus 3. This is minus 4 and we want minus 4 sin omega t. So up to this will be, here we can write this is minus 4 sin omega t. Now we want resultant for this, so we have to draw parallel line. So this will be the resultant. If we draw it from here, and this will be, we can find it by using graphical method or we can use this formula. We know that A cos omega t plus B sin omega t is equal to C cos omega t minus theta, where C is equal to under root of A square plus B square and theta is equal to tan inverse of minus, not minus, only B by A. Now let's check our answer. So it will be, now here in place of A it is this value. So let's copy it from here. So this will be 3 cos omega t minus 4 sin omega t, it is equal to C. Now in place of C this will be under root of A square plus B square. So this will be 3 square plus 4 square, then cos omega t minus, in place of theta this will be tan inverse of B by A. So this will be tan inverse of B. In place of B we can substitute minus 4 divided by 3. So it is equal to, so this will be 3 square plus 4 square. So under root of 3 square plus 4 square, it is 5 cos omega t minus, this will be tan inverse of, so it is tan inverse of minus 4 by 3. So it is minus 53.13. So minus minus, this will be plus 53.13. So this is the resultant of this 2, 5 cos omega t plus 53.13. Also here we can see this is 180 degree. The difference between this plus sin omega t and minus sin omega t is 180 degree. So this is about graphical representation of sinusoids. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.